Talaga nga namang malapit na ang Kapaskuhan. Nadarama na natin ang malamig na simoy ng hangin, kasabay din ang pagsibol ng diwa ng pagsasaya, pagbibigayan at pagtulong. Nakaugalian na ng mga pribadong institusyon ang maglunsad ng kani-kanilang taunang proyekto para sa mga kababayan nating nangangailangan, gaya ng mga batang may cancer. Kasabay sa kanilang aktibidad ngayong taon ang pagpapailaw ng kanilang higanteng Christmas tree at ang gingerbread train display. Layunin ng kanilang aktibidad na makapagbigay ng kaunting tulong sa pamamagitan ng pagbebenta ng souvenir stuffed bears.
Well, we have the Philippine Children's Medical Center. They treat about 60,000 kids a year. They're up in Quezon City. Our goal this year is to buy them oxygen tanks with the sale of our teddy bears. So we're hoping to raise enough money to buy 20 oxygen tanks minimum.
Kasama rin sa kanilang pinaplano ang pagtulong sa mga biktima ng bagyong Yolanda sa Kabisayaan.
That's the main project. Of course, we've all been a little bit sidetracked by some of the other events, so we're doing a lot of community service events to help aid and so on and so forth with the typhoon as well. So it really ties into the spirit of giving at Christmas, because never has there been a more important time to help our friends in need. Christmas is everybody's favorite time of the year, so I think it's really important to start with a bit of a bang and get everybody excited about the festive season and the season of giving. So yeah, we always do something like this. This time the new thing is the gingerbread train. That's the first we've done.
Hinihikayat din nila na tumulong ang mga manonood sa mga nangangailangan bilang pagbuhay sa tunay na diwa ng Kapaskuhan.
Merry Christmas everybody, and it's never been a better time for us all to pull together, look after each other, help each other out and enjoy the festive season in the spirit of giving.